Today we'll be showing you how to make a present for you Santa bag. You'll have in your maker's kit 1 length of ribbon, 2 pieces of calico, a back and a front, 1 Christmas tree. If you've bought or been given one of our maker's kits, this will have your name on it. To get started, you will need the front piece of calico. To tell the difference between the front and the front is clear and the back has the logo printed at the bottom. Take the front piece and fold it in half vertically. Run the iron over the fabric so you have a line down the middle. Next, take the Christmas tree and fold it in half vertically. As you did with the front, iron it to create a line down the middle. On a flat surface, lay the front of the bag and place the Christmas tree on top. Match the 2 vertical folds so the tree is centered on the bag. Check there is a gap of 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters between the bottom of the Christmas tree and the bottom of the bag. Pin the tree in place on the front of the bag. Using a matching thread, sew the tree using a zigzag or blanket stitch. Once the tree is sewn on, clip the threads neatly, front and back, and iron the front of the bag to remove the fold line. On a flat surface, place the front piece of calico onto the back piece. The Christmas tree should be facing the logo. This is how you will know both sides are at right sides together. Smooth the bag so it is nice and flat, and pin the sides and the bottom of the bag. Sew the front and back pieces together using a standard seam width of 1.5 centimeters. Next, overlock the side and bottom seams. Turn the bag inside out and iron the bag. Press the side and bottom seam to either the right or left. Push the corners out with your finger. You are now going to form the casing for the ribbon. Firstly, overlock the edge of the fabric at the top of the bag. Using a tape measure, fold the fabric around the top to the inside of the bag by 3.5 centimeters. Pin the fold in place and continue to measure and pin around the top of the bag. Leave an opening of 2.5 centimeters by one of the side seams. This will be used to thread the ribbon. Sew along the edge of the casing with a seam that sits just above the overlocked stitch. Once sewn, press along the top of the bag. Use a safety pin to thread the ribbon through the casing. Tie a knot at the edge of the ribbon, about 6 centimeters from the edge of the bag. Cut the edges of the ribbon on a slant. Give the bag a final press and you're done.